Are you trying to build a native library for Android and feeling stuck with the Android.bp file? You're not alone. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to execute your build using the Soong build system. I totally get it. Setting up builds can be confusing, especially when you're dealing with new configurations. Many developers face this challenge, and it can be frustrating when things don't go as planned. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I execute the build for my native library using the Android.bp file? If this sounds like you, stick around as we break it down step by step. So what exactly is the Android.bp file? It's a build configuration file used by the Soong build system in Android. Understanding how to work with it is crucial for successfully building your native library. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have a special tip that will make your future builds even smoother. To begin building the native library using the Android.bp file, the user should first ensure that they have the Android build environment set up correctly. This includes having the Android source code and the necessary tools installed. Next, the user needs to navigate to the directory containing the Android.bp file. This is where the build configuration is defined for the native library. Now, the user can initiate the build process. This is done by using the Soong command, which is part of the Android build system. The user should run the command to start the build. Once the build is complete, the user should check for any errors in the output. If the build is successful, the compiled library will be located in the output directory specified in the build configuration. Finally, the user can test the built library in their Android application. This involves integrating the library and ensuring it functions as expected within the app. Fun fact, the Soong build system is named after a famous Chinese musician, Soong Ling. Just like her, it aims to bring harmony to your build process. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user is to use the command to build your module. This works regardless of whether your configuration file is in Android.bp or Android.mk format. Here's that special tip I promised. Always keep your Android.p files organized and well documented. This will save you time and headaches in future builds. And there you have it. You should now be able to execute your build using the Android.bp file. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Android development.